Hey everybody, it's Neil and Nahab. Check out what I have here. I have an E-cloth. It's easy, ecological, economical, effortless, whatever, a bunch of E's, I guess. So the way it works is you can wet and wring the cloth and use it to clean. So we have two different ones here. This one here, if you on this side here, you see there's the stripes. What it is, this middle stripe almost feels like a Velcro kind of thing, you know, like that rough stuff. So what that'll do is it'll give you good scrubbing power. So you can really scrub some stuff there. So if you're having things that you want to really just get cleaned good, you'll use that. And then this side here is a nice microfiber side. On this one here, it's just a single cloth that is somewhat abrasive on this side here and slightly less abrasive on that side. So you've got two cloths here, and this is the size of them. If you're looking for a general idea, I guess it's about almost a foot square. And this one here is probably, I don't know, 16, 18 inches square, or a little bit rectangle-ish. But there you go. These are them. These are replacements for other ones we have. They work great. We just use them for just cleaning up everything around the house, and they are awesome. Thumbs up.